Fiber optics and types. An optical fiber is a cylindrical fiber of glass which is hair-thin size or any transparent dielectric medium. The fiber which is used for optical communication is waveguides made of transparent dielectrics. Main element of fiber optics. Core. It is the central tube of very thin size made of optically transparent dielectric medium and carries the light transmitter to receiver, and the core diameter may vary from about 5 micrometers to 100 micrometers. Cladding. It is outer optical material surrounding the core having reflecting index lower than core, and cladding helps to keep the light within the core throughout the phenomena of total internal reflection. Buffer coating. It is a plastic coating that protects the fiber made of silicon rubber. The typical diameter of the fiber after the coating is 250 to 300 micrometers. Types of fiber optics. Generally, optical fiber is classified into two categories based on the number of modes and the refractive index. These are explained as following below. 1. On the basis of the number of modes. It is classified into two types. A. Single-mode fiber. In single-mode fiber, only one type of ray of light can propagate through the fiber. This type of fiber has a small core diameter, 5 micrometers, and high cladding diameter, 70 micrometers, and the difference between the refractive index of core and cladding is very small. There is no dispersion, i.e. no degradation of the signal during traveling through the fiber. The light is passed through it through a laser diode. B. Multimode fiber. Multimode fiber allows a large number of modes for the light ray traveling through it. The core diameter is generally 40 micrometers, and that of cladding is 70 micrometers. The relative refractive index difference is also greater than single-mode fiber. There is signal degradation due to multimode dispersion. It is not suitable for long-distance communication due to large dispersion and attenuation of the signal. There are two categories on the basis of multimode fiber, i.e. step index fiber and graded index fiber. Basically, these are categories under the types of optical fiber on the basis of refractive index. 2. On the basis of refractive index. It is also classified into two types. A. Step index optical fiber. The refractive index of core is constant. The refractive index of the cladding is also constant. The rays of light propagate through it in the form of meridional rays which cross the fiber axis during every reflection at the core cladding boundary.
B. Graded index optical fiber. In this type of fiber, the core has a non-uniform refractive index that gradually decreases from the center towards the core cladding interface. The cladding has a uniform refractive index. The light rays propagate through it in the form of skew rays or helical rays. It does not cross the fiber axis at any time.